So it's an incredible weather stripping department that we have. I haven't visited it in a while, and it's expanded even beyond what I thought it was. And so today we're going to go and show you, we've got all the little parts from 1936 to 1993 that are produced. There's still a lot of parts that nobody makes, and we get them from many sources. We've got windshield gaskets, back gaskets, we've got vent window rubber, we've got roof rail rubber, we've got vent division rubber, we've got trunk rubber seals, we've got what they call pillar rubber for convertibles, all the different years that they make in stock and in quantity. This is a freshly made part. This goes on a 57 and 58 Cadillac. You know it if you got one of those cars. In the back, these are vents. They're made with steel, and they're a really nice part. Only can get them at Caddy Daddy. All this right here is now weather stripping that we now have. All the taillight little gaskets that there are for the lenses. It used to be that we'd have a very small box for one item, and we'd have 4 or 5 in there. And then we started having more requests, so we had to make bigger boxes. So that's what we've been doing, just so we could keep up. So we try to have everything that you want in stock when you order it and not be back ordered.